AI tools can dissect trend patterns with remarkable precision, helping you determine the ideal entry window for your niche. By analyzing search volume trends, social media buzz, and historical data, these tools reveal when public interest in a topic is rising, peaking, or declining. This insight allows you to time your entry for maximum impact, striking while the interest is climbing rather than entering too early, when audiences aren't ready, or too late, when the momentum has faded. With AI-powered forecasting, you can spot subtle signals of growth before they become obvious to others, giving you a first-mover advantage. This data-backed timing strategy minimizes risk and enhances the chances of your content, product, or service gaining quick traction. In today's fast-moving markets, precision timing is everything, and AI ensures you ride the wave of demand instead of chasing it after it has passed, giving your niche business a strong foundation for growth and visibility. AI tools can precisely analyze trend patterns by processing vast amounts of real-time data across search engines, social platforms, and industry news. This allows you to identify the optimal entry window for your niche with greater accuracy than ever before. Entering too early into a niche often results in low consumer demand and the need for significant investment in education and awareness building. On the other hand, entering too late may mean the market is already saturated, making it difficult to stand out and forcing you into price competition. With AI-powered insights, you can track rising interest, sentiment shifts, and keyword growth velocity to determine when awareness is increasing, but competition is still manageable. This perfect timing allows you to launch when the niche is gaining traction, giving you a first-mover advantage while still enjoying room for growth. The timing paradox refers to the critical challenge of entering a market at exactly the right moment. Enter too early, and you may face low demand, requiring significant time and resources to educate your audience and build awareness from scratch. This can slow down growth and strain your marketing budget. On the other hand, entering too late puts you in an overcrowded space where market saturation leads to aggressive competition, reduced pricing power, and smaller profit margins due to price wars. The ideal entry point, the sweet spot, is when consumer awareness is starting to rise, competition is still manageable, and there is clear upward momentum in growth and demand. At this stage, the market is ripe for capturing attention and building a brand with minimal friction. Balancing key indicators such as search volume trends, sentiment shifts, and competitor density is essential. Mastering this timing ensures that you not only enter but thrive in your chosen niche. Leading indicators such as search trends, keyword velocity, and social sentiment offer valuable foresight into upcoming market shifts. They help you anticipate what consumers are starting to care about before the broader market catches on. In contrast, lagging indicators like revenue reports, sales data, and conversion metrics confirm what has already happened, making them useful for validation, but limited for predicting future movements. By combining both, you gain a fuller picture of market dynamics. Artificial intelligence tools take this further by processing massive, real-time data sets to uncover subtle patterns that humans might miss. Platforms powered by AI can track emotional sentiment shifts, detect early trend signals, and even predict when a market is about to accelerate. Utilizing AI-driven predictive analytics allows you to pinpoint the optimal time to enter a niche, when interest is rising but competition is still manageable. Utilize artificial intelligence for advanced trend analysis by integrating tools like the Google Trends API and SEMrush with Python scripts to monitor keyword velocity across a 6 to 24-month window. Your goal should be to identify trends demonstrating at least 30% or more growth per quarter, an indicator of rising market interest. Go beyond search volume by using natural language processing, NLP models, on platforms like BrandWatch to assess the tone and sentiment behind online discussions. Focus particularly on sentiment to volume ratios to determine not just what people are talking about, but how they feel. This helps in identifying emotionally charged topics with viral potential. Additionally, develop your own scraping tools to collect real-time data on competitive saturation. Measure metrics like the number of competitors relative to active consumers and monitor pricing fluctuations to gauge market maturity and volatility. This multi-layered, AI-driven approach ensures you're targeting trends with real momentum and manageable competition. Select a niche you're interested in. Let's say AI-powered resume builders. Apply two trend analysis techniques. First, use Google Trends to track keyword interest over the past 24 months. This reveals growing search volume, particularly after major layoffs or graduation seasons, showing consistent quarterly growth of over 30%. Second, utilize social sentiment analysis with an NLP tool like BrandWatch or MonkeyLearn to scan LinkedIn and Twitter. Results indicate positive sentiment tied to job-seeking support and career advancement. These signals suggest the niche is in the growth stage of its life cycle. Awareness is increasing, competition is moderate, and monetization opportunities are rising. Document these findings in our shared workspace for reference. The consistent trend velocity and favorable sentiment highlight this niche's high potential. Prepare to use this data in decision-making mode to assess product market fit, validate positioning, and prioritize strategic actions that align with real-time market dynamics.